I said we're gonna be doing it, and we're going to be doing it. So I'm finally gonna be. I'm finally gonna be posting a what if with Wolf Boy that is not. How do I say it? That is not
absolute crap.
And also not literally that actually has audio. Because the last one didn't have audio. I forgot what if that was.
I think it was the South Park one.
No.
Was it a DC one where? No, it was the South Park one where David Hussein took over your body.
No, that's not it. That's not it. Yeah, it was a DC one, I think. No, it was a Marvel one. It was a Marvel one. I was training with you and Wolf Boy. No, I was training with you and Spider-Man. I think.
Last one had audio, but it was like crappy.
Yeah, either way.
Had audio, but it was like crappy.
Either way, let's get into this. As usual, you see me in my domain. Platinum Trophy games, like usual. I start a whole new Platinum Trophy. Oh, by the way, I'm probably going to be posting gaming. Watch out for that.
By the way, did you manage to get Streamlabs working? Or no?
No, I'm probably going to have to do this on my computer, and I have to download it on my computer up now, apparently.
It's fine. Just be warned, the sensitivity might be jacked up and part of your screen you might not be able to.
Okay, either way, we see me playing trophy in games of being lazy since I'm literally on break from being the god of chaos.
Yep, and I'm doing homework right now. Literally.
Yes! As I get up, as I say, as I call one of my angels of chaos.
Sorry.
It's okay. Either way, I need a replacement for me while I'm gone. So send in Izuku Chaos.
Yo.
Son, I'm gonna let you take over for a week while I'm gone. If you mess anything up, you can most definitely destroy every universe. So be careful with your power.
Okay, come back and review with me, don't worry.
Good. Oh, by the way, where's Lucifer? Where's my alter ego?
Hold on. He's playing poker with Deadpool.
Oh, fuck, I forgot he's in my mindscape. I forgot he's in my mindscape. As I go into my mindscape, as I say, Dave?
Yeah?
I need you to keep an eye on Deku.
Got it.
So, to make sure he doesn't burn the place down while I'm gone.
I will help too.
Because y'all know how he can get when I'm gone.
Oh yeah, like that one time when he had that sick ass party with Popo.
Yeah. I'm not mad. I wasn't mad at that one. It was lit.
Yep.
He seems
dead corpses.
But he
wow for like 70.
Yeah, but he did burn down a universe. So yeah.
Yeah, okay, well, hold on. Boop and boop. Okay, well, anyways, portal time.
Wait, as I put their soul, as I put their, conscience into two bodies so they can be there and be with me.
Yep. They'll be there.
Yep. As I go
Izuku send you to like the FNAF world. Where I'm also there.
As I say, did anybody take your position?
No, mine is relatively okay.
Eh, my son is probably destroying a universe without me knowing. As I check into my mindscape, as I say, Dave, is he destroying a universe now?
No, he's playing poker.
Oh, thank God. Yay!
Playing Uno.
As I check the board, the universe is kind of out of balance right now. Oh God dang it! Tell him to get his lazy butt up and get to his job.
The whisper.
The universe is literally out of balance.
Okay, well, anyways, like 10 minutes of falling. Let's see. So 3, and you got a 2.
Oh God.
Okay.
Let me go for a badass superhero landing.
Hold on. 3 and 4. Okay, well, you do it, but you hurt your knees.
Oh my God, that hurt like hell.
Also, just for shits and giggles. Just for shits and giggles. So, yep, we are now children.
No, 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 please. Don't tell me.
What if we were not people? We're probably gonna get killed. Oh, also, by the way, you get 2 powers and I get 6, right?
Huh? What did you say?
You get 2 powers.
How about you?
3.
Roll the dice again.
Okay. 4.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna have to think logically. Superhuman regeneration, so I can't die. Jesus Christ. Pain absorption. Blood absorption. Any blood I absorb makes me more powerful.
Okay, so basically vampirism.
Very much.
What else?
Sharingan. That's 3.
Okay.
And what should my last one be? I want it to be like something that can help me survive, you know, being in this world.
Jokingly say your furry form.
Super Saiyan! Super Saiyan! My Super Saiyan transformations!
Yeah, Super Saiyan 4.
Nah, I'm gonna save that for the next What If.
Okay, looks like they won't be hearing me call you a furry right now. Oh well.
Control over animal. I can make animatronics. They're completely.
I couldn't hear that.
I can make human puppets.
Oh, puppeteering. Okay.
Yeah, human. I can make human puppets.
Monaco and split.
Did you hear what I said? I can make human puppets.
Yes, congratulations. You have the human version of Disney princess powers.
Yeah, I'm literally going to be doing surgery on them and turning them into my puppets.
Oh, full on Neferpito shit.
Yeah, this is going to be some crazy shit since it's close to Halloween.
Okay.
Either way, as I move, I say, something doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right.
What's wrong?
Where's Mexican Batman? He normally is with us.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, he's not here. I think he's with your kid.
As I make sure the universe is okay. As I see, it's okay. As I see, it's okay for now, but it's like near the point of out of balance.
Yep. Okay. I'm hungry. Let's go to that pizza place.
Might as well. As using my shotgun, I grab you and just teleport there.
Whee!
And
Okay,
when,
great. Pizza place.
as I knock at the door, huh? And I,
Hold on. Yup, in the corner we see Matt Pat.
hello there.
Roar! Hold on. Yep, he just pops out of existence.
Okay, well, that was interesting. Either I'm gonna let you explore. I'm gonna capture some people so I can make human puppets.
Okay, hold on. You see, the thing is, you know those creepy animatronics from Chuck E. Cheese?
What?
Yeah, like Chuck E. Cheese had creepy ass animatronics.
Oh my
I think
god.
this place is a knockoff.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Anyway, make sure. Either way, I'm gonna go get humans as I just disappear. So to look for people to make it to human puppets.
Okay, the thing is, there's not a surplus of people around that area.
Wow. Okay. As I go to the city.
Minimum and okay, great. Okay, so what do you do again?
I go to the city and just capture people.
Kidnapping. Damn, 41 and yeah, okay, you kidnap people, kids.
Kids? Really? Kids?
With your current frame, it makes sense.
Ah, you're going to kill me for this.
Wow.
You're going to kill me for this, Wolf Boy. And we both know it.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay, all of them are kids except for one, which is like an old lady.
Well, this is going to be interesting.
Where are we?
We're in your nursing home. That's right, we're in your nursing home.
I thought that we were at the amusement park.
No, grandmother. We got some kind of candy. You passed out, so I brought you back.
Oh, you're such a good boy. hold on. Yep, she believes you.
As I look at you, as I say help, as I look at you with a glare that says help me.
Hold on. The animatronics start moving and walking towards us. Ah, neat, they're moving. So guys, it finally woke up.
Okay, can you? Okay, can you hold them off long enough so I can make my human puppets?
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, I make human puppets. I just discovered that
okay,
power.
now I'm just encouraging them. Hold on. And, okay, they pin you down.
You? They
No,
pinned you. I didn't do anything. I didn't even attack them.
Okay, no, here's what happened. You said you wanted to make human puppets. They did not like that because trauma, so they pin you down.
Well, fine. As I use
human experiments.
Fine. As I get up and punch one of them, as I say, that's payback.
You got a 4. They got a 75. Okay, you attempt to punch this animatronic, but like it's made of metal and your hand is flesh.
As I just punch him with a fire fist, if it.
Wait, yeah, okay. You got a 6 and they got a 98.
I'm guessing my hand got messed the hell up.
Hold on. Yup, your hand is broken.
As I watch it regenerate, as I say, Jesus Christ, it's just turned into that one Deadpool scene, as I as I do it, as I say, "You poor wife."
Do you go in for a nut shot?
Yes.
Oh my god, you gotta see they got. You hit them in their bullets.
As it lands, as I say, "Your poor wife."
I lack the reproductive organs to make children.
Okay, as I kick him. I'm just.
87 and 84. You hit him in the bullets again.
As I say, "Go down already."
I am literally metal. You are flesh.
Oh wait, as I just use my fire.
You got a 10. It got a 95. It stuffs out the fire by clapping your hands.
I use my fire again.
You got 22. He got 77. Okay, so, mushrooms appear on your hands.
Oh, come on.
Time out.
What happened?
Hold on. All of you can leave. You are not going to do anything to those people. That's how I'll shove up their PTSD, and I don't think you want a metal rod up your ass.
Well, it's you. I'm trying to test out this new ability I got to make human puppets.
The thing is...
No, let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal.
Hold on. Yeah, okay, all of them are looking at you intently.
Let's make a deal. You know how I want to make human puppets, but there's a problem with that. As I look at the kids and grandma. How about this? I only turn bad people into human puppets.
Oh.
Why not? It'll be taking criminals off of the streets.
I cannot believe we're going to have to explain why kidnapping is bad. I'm sorry, what?
Nothing. Just me sneezing.
Oh, okay.
Oh God. Ow. That one actually hurt it. Ow.
Yeah.
Either way. Okay, either way. Why can't I make human puppets?
You try having your freedom stripped away from you, only for you to be nothing but a husk of yourself, wandering, obeying orders, and see how you like it.
First of all, they wouldn't be alive anymore. Second of all,
agony.
They literally wouldn't be able to.
Their body.
They literally wouldn't be able to. They literally be dead.
And we are dead, but we still move. We still feel.
Yeah, because you have your souls. But human puppets.
Down to where the body was last they died.
But my human puppets don't have souls. I remove the soul completely and send it off to the afterlife, so they can live out.
I have a question. Will your puppets still retain the memories?
No, they will still retain their skills though.
Memories and experiences.
The memories are gonna be like, how do I say it?
Muffled.
It's like, and it's gonna be like a trigger thing. When I yell the trigger.
Oh, yeah, okay, then they still have their souls, because in FNAF, like, souls are memories.
No, they're not gonna have the like memories. Yeah, they're not gonna have the memories. I show speed is live apparently.
Hold on. Let's just roll for it. So 20 and yeah, okay. They somewhat believe you and let you turn the old lady just as a test.
As I get to walk, as I get to walk, as
a 60 minimum entity. Yeah, okay, it works. She is now an old puppet.
as I come out of the room all bloodied, as I say, yeah, I did not think humans had that much blood.
Hold on. They puke.
Yeah, the old lady had a lot of blood.
I didn't even think animatronics could puke.
Oh God! As you see the old lady's soul in my hands. Should I just send this to? Should I just send this to heaven? Or
Hold on. Straight down to hell she goes. She was a mafia leader. She killed thousands. Not to mention drug smuggling, child endangerment, and also someone who doesn't put the shopping carts back after they're done with them.
oh my God, she was a monster.
Exactly.
Either way, I control the human puppet to take over her business, her mafia, and turn it legit. Huh? She retired, didn't she? Okay. that's nice. Either way, I say okay as I look at the recorder. As I say, test one was a success. I managed to make a human puppet, but apparently the old lady wasn't as nice as I thought. Her soul.
The mafia leader.
Yes, her soul returned to hell. Her human body still has the human puppet has some problems though. The weapons and poison. Yes, and the weapons and poison I hid in the body, or is adjusting, but it's not completely adjusted.
Oh wow, you're gonna go full on William Afton shit on this, huh?
Most likely, I have no clue. But I know I'm probably only going to do this to evil people for the sake of society. The kids I'm just going to let go, or either have them help around the place. Most likely help around the place. As I stop the recording.
Hold on, let's just see them. Yeah, okay, you see, the animatronics feel very uncomfortable.
You want me just to make a room so I can just put my human puppets in there? So you don't have to be uncomfortable.
I appreciate it because no offense, we're having some PTSD right here.
Oh.
Breathe in, breathe out. You breathe in, breathe out.
Oh.
Watch, breathe in, breathe out. Freddy, breathe in, breathe out.
Okay. And I look at the kids as I say, let's see. As I realize something, your parents haven't tracked you down yet. Should that be a concern? It's been like 5 days.
Well, you did take us a city over, and this place is abandoned, so...
I feel like the police would have found you by now.
Are you gonna, do weird things to us, or are you gonna let us go?
No, I'm just gonna have your help around here.
Okay, are you like one of those pedo guys, or
No, no, I'm
A
just
serial killer? Like that acting guy?
no, I don't. I'm not a serial killer. I might be a serial killer. I kill bad guys, but I am not a pedo.
If you kill a serial killer, does the number of serial killers change in the world?
Yes, actually, yes.
No, because then you become a serial killer. The solution would be to kill two.
Well, you see, I'm gonna be killing tons of bad guys.
Let's just see. Yeah, okay, you see the kids are now the kids are now staying there.
Really?
Hold on. And yep, me and the Sharks are getting along. I'm learning their stories, their backstories. They even introduced me to Golden Freddy.
Yeah, nice. As you just see me teaching the kids how to read and write. Hello? Hello? You can hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Sorry about this, it's kind of chaos. Yeah, we didn't expect this to happen. We're gonna reconnect as soon as Discord decides to load. Did it work? Okay, I think I figured. Hello? Hello?
Also, by the way, I can't hear you.
You can hear me? Okay, can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that was a little chaotic.
Yep. Okay, well, I got like
Okay.
a lot to do, so yeah.
Where were we? Where were we? We'll be like.
We were at you can to join your cult thing.
No, I think we were at the point of me teaching them how to read and write. Yeah, we were at the point of me trying to teach them how to read and write.
Ah, Jesus Christ, that again.
It's happening again?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, no. No. Okay, this is...
Okay, hold on. Your voice just like glitched out.
It glitched
you
out.
said we're at the point where you're trying to teach them to read and write?
Yes. Yes, I am. Yeah, we're at that point. Yes. Yeah, we're at that point. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. I am just gonna make this a part 1 and we're just gonna post part 2 later. Okay.
I'm gonna have to like stop this right now because like I have so much shit to do today.
Okay, I have an idea. We just make this part 1 and post the part 2 later. Okay.